There, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am here up at our Step 4 project in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. I wanted to give you a brief update on where we're going with this. As you can see behind me, our Euroline 4700 series windows are in. But today I really want to focus on our radon mitigation for this new home with the products that are supplied by Radon Environmental. So let's go on inside and we'll see what the boys have done with these products that will ensure that we have no radon gas inside the house. And just a note, if you want to follow along in the project, click on and subscribe to the YouTube channel below, and then you'll get notifications for all the follow-up videos. So I'm inside on the lowest level of this new home. The gold fabric you can see underneath the electric heating lines here is called Radon Block, and it's made by Radon Environmental. And this is a soil gas membrane to make sure that if this house has radon gas, that we're not getting any of that gas infiltrating into the living space. Underneath it, something that we can't see, is the Radon Guard, which is a channeled EPS foam insulation that makes sure that we have a good ventilation cavity underneath the radon membrane to ensure that if radon gas is underneath the concrete slab, that it can find a way out. And as you can see over here, that white pipe in front of me, that's our depressurization system. Should we discover that we have such a high level of radon in the house that we need to ventilate underneath the slab, that pipe eventually will go all the way to the roof so that we can put a fan on there and depressurize the slab as the last resort to ensure that this home remains a healthy home for the family that's going to move in.